close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy.
Hi guys, welcome to Happy Muncher. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm super fabulous. Happy Sunday. Today it's beach day, guys, so I literally just got ready. I'm about to step out. I'm going to the beach, so join me guys. Let's go explore Doha beaches. Okay, it's my first time going to a beach. I hope it's not extremely hot. Right now the time is 4. I'm just praying to God that it's not extremely hot. But anyway guys, let us go. I'm excited to go and try what Doha beaches have to offer. So I'm going to this beach club. It's like a beach club. It's called B12 in West Bay. So I'm headed out there and I want you guys to join me. Let's have some amazing time at this beach. If you're new here, welcome to Happy Muncher's channel. We're all about travel, food, exploring some amazing destinations, and I hope you stick around. All you have to do is just smash on that subscribe button and share my videos across your families and friends, and do hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. We're still on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button, okay? Let us go guys, let us go. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get to the beach already. This is how I'm dressed for the beach, my lovies. I love the outfit. I look like a rich woman. Anyway, this is my beach outfit. I have a bikini underneath, you know, in Doha, but at the beach you can definitely wear your bikini. And yeah, so I'm just wearing this white outfit on top of the bikini just to dress modesty like a woman. And then yeah, let us go. guys, we are literally here by B12 Beach, so we're just gonna go in and spend the day here. Ooh, these tall buildings are so beautiful. So I have to pay, guys, 75 reals. Hi, how are you? I'm alright. 75 reals, right? Woo, this place is huge, guys. Extremely huge. I love the colorful, the pink and yellow beach beds. And we have those bamboo umbrellas, which look super good. I think one thing I like about B12 Beach is that it's a family-friendly place where you can bring your kids to enjoy the water sports and play around the beach. So adults pay 75 reals, kids below 14 years pay 25 reals, and kids below 6 years go in for free. One other thing, B12 has an all-day dining beach deck, so you can order your food and relax by the sunbeds. I think this is my favorite thing in the place. The sunbeds, they're so smoochy and very comfortable to sit on. And also the backdrop of these tall buildings is my favorite. It looks really beautiful. And one thing to take note of, guys, is that here in Doha, or let me say the Middle East, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is the weekend. Sunday is a normal work day. So today is Sunday. There are no people, just a few people on the beach. But I just want to share the place with you guys in case you are in Doha. You can check it out. Today's a little bit windy, guys, but yeah, this is what you get here. You get to sit on this white and beautiful sand, and overlooking the beach is also some amazing buildings of Doha. You can enjoy all that scenery. So what comes with your 75 reals is a towel and a bottle of cold water. You can also order some more drinks from the deck if you want, from the restaurant, and they have variety of foods to choose from, so you can just relax. Another thing that I also love and enjoy is that they have these speakers that are placed around these sunbeds, which are really cool, so you can enjoy some amazing tunes while basking in the sun. Once you're done swimming in the ocean, you can head down to the ladies' washrooms, which are painted in pink, and the men's are painted in blue. Anyway, they are so beautiful, guys. It's really cozy in here. You can wash up, you can do your makeup, and just feel comfortable. Right outside is a sink. It's like a wooden sink with a mirror. This is where you wash your hands, clean your face. There's a hand soap there for you to wash your hands. But the place looks even more beautiful at night, guys. The lights are bright and the beach looks even more prettier. Here, guys, you can play various games. You can play ping pong, you can play black pool, or they call it snooker. There's just a bunch of things that you can do, but I really enjoyed my time here. I hope you did enjoy it as well, and you might consider trying it while you're here in Doha. This is the end of my video for today, my lovelies. I will see you on my next video. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.